Beat Kidney Disease Review reveals that the new program actually focuses on teaching patients how to lower creatinine levels and protect the kidneys from future damage. This is a new natural program, that it can be an option for all sufferers. Beat Kidney Disease Solution was created by Duncan Capicchiano, and since this is a step-by-step method, users will be able to implement it easily. The author of this program is a well-known and much appreciated medical researcher, naturopath and kidney disease expert. In fact, Capicchiano studied this condition for years until he was able to create this amazingly successful new program. Capicchiano claims that his method will reverse impaired kidney function and will heal kidney disease while improving quality of life. The author of the new method says that this program can be used even by patients who have undergone dialysis. According to Capicchiano, there are some secrets to kidney disease cure, secrets he discovered and which he presents in his newly released guide. The Beat Kidney Disease Review indicates that the new guide will teach sufferers how to recover their health without using any drugs and how to reverse impaired kidney function. A series of important information is featured in this guide. For instance, the guide introduces sufferers to 6 essential rules they should know before exercising, as well as to a list of foods to eat and foods to avoid. Capicchiano says that his method is 100% guaranteed, the author of the Beat Kidney Disease program being absolutely sure that his method is as effective as possible. At the end of this program, users will learn how to manage stress, how to bring back appetite and improve energy levels. At the end of the treatment, breathing will be improved, as well. The Beat Kidney Disease Review reveals that numerous people have tried this treatment and their testimonials show that they have obtained absolutely impressive results. Testimonials of sufferers show how people were able to improve their condition while implementing the new method.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.